Welcome to EZCook, an easy way to cook. You can choose help or cook. Which one would you like? EZCook is an Alexa skill designed to help user to cook. We have only those features in the moment. First is help. If you want to know what features do we have and what has been updated, you can access this feature by saying help. And the second one is cook. If you want to start cook something, you can access this feature by saying this with format. First word is cook and the next word is what recipe do you want to cook. For example, you can say cook pancake. We will tell you recipe information such as recipe ingredients, how to cook it, its calories, and many more. What else would you like help with today? Hard-boiled egg dressing recipe by Food Network. It has 1,114.9 kilocalories. Do you want to know the ingredients? 2 tablespoons chopped shallots. Grated zest of 1 lemon plus 2 tablespoons lemon juice. 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard. 1½ teaspoons anchovy paste. 1 hard-boiled egg. 1 hard-boiled egg yolk. ½ cup olive oil. Kosher salt and freshly ground black pepper. Kosher salt and freshly ground black pepper. Do you want me to repeat it? Okay, do you want to start cook? Okay, the cook has been started. If you want to advance to next step, say next, or if you want me to repeat the step, say repeat. Step 1. Combine the shallots, lemon zest and juice, mustard, anchovy paste and the hard-boiled egg and egg yolk in a blender, then slowly stream in the olive oil. Season with salt and pepper. Season with salt and pepper. The cook has been finished. Well done. What else would you like help with today? Okay, have a nice day.